Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Technology is upgrading day by day, and we are mostly dependent on our mobile phones for the financial transactions. But as the technology is upgrading, similarly the threat of cybercrime is also increasing day by day. Cyber criminals and fraudsters are targeting us to cheat our hard-earned money. So recently, Goa police and especially cybercrime police is associating with the churches and temples or organizers of religious gathering to spread awareness regarding the cybercrimes. It was initially started during Chavath, and now the drive associating with the churches of Goa. Recently, the cybercrime police and experts of cybercrime police associated with the church at Raivandar to spread awareness. In the program, Goa police personnel spread the awareness and made the visitors aware about the new modus operandi, the tricks the fraudster use, and how to prevent these cyber crimes. Especially the message was the awareness and alertness are the key to prevent the cyber crime. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.